sentence is actually that now more and more people in Serbia are starting investing actually in the capital markets, and primarily to the foreign capital markets, which is normal. There is more liquidity, and let's say easy to do it. But it's interesting that actually we can see that when people start investing in other types of investments, they are then reconsidered to invest maybe in even more different types. So they are now thinking again about investing on the Belgrade Stock Exchange, which is interesting. You know, when somebody starts investing on the global markets, start rethinking what we have in local, and then also in startups. Investing in startups is growing in Serbia a lot. So I think when we talk about financial literacy, it's actually about diversification of your knowledge and your investment portfolio. And regarding actual capital market situation globally, as Professor Njavro mentioned, that there are three-body issue and problem. Actually, there is still the biggest body in all this constellation is United States, and we all follow very briefly. Whole world is actually looking what they will do with interest rate, what are the results of inflation, and as we say that actually that unemployment, I think, is something that is now ruin all the calculation from the traditional political economy or theoretical size of the things. What you're doing when there is a high inflation, you bring interest rate, unemployment is not going up, and then that's a problem that you say that actually is problem in Croatia now, the population and what to do with. You say that also how to solve that problem. So I think that. I think at the end always there is a solution, and then the productivity, creativity will find ways. And I know that there is this free money that helps growth in the last 10 years, but I like it because among all these crazy ideas that get money to try, to give a shot to make a startups, to make them, some of them make great results. We have Tesla based on that money that was cheap, then they shows up. So I think that last year was very rare in economic history that in one moment all assets classes prices fall down, and the real estate and the bonds and the stocks, even the gold and the oil and the gas, as you say, they fall down after the beginning. So last year was really hard to survive, but after that, in this year, there are signs of some brightness. There is, of course, fear of recession, especially in Europe. But I think that everything will be like a short term, and that we will have, if there is no any geopolitical issues in the future, some, let's say, decent growth.